grade to surface.
Yeah, I thought
Copy
it's a
current
different one. Okay. Change the slope one.
the grade to surface. Yes. No, here will be 3:1.
Just one.
3:1. Yeah, 3:1. And fill 3:1.
Just one.
Okay. Apply and okay. Now I'm going to grade here. Feature line, like the side, entire length. Yes.
Yes.
Enter. Okay. This is how our grading will looks like. This is our okay. Suppose we will we will choose here like the bench or our bench here. The 9 meter straight and the depth will be 3 meter relative distance. Okay.
Okay.
Which will be here just like this. This will be go up to here 9 meter and depth will be 3 meter and it will be stopped. Okay. Then we will create a berm here about 3 meters. From the grading, I am going to use the thread. Fill here. You fill. Fill the side. Here is our side. Grading group 1. Select. Object viewer. This is our cut area and this is our fill area.
Yeah.
Now we will check here how many benches we create here. 9 meter. Okay. There are so many benches we will create here. Okay. Offset will be 3 meter. This is the slope to distance. The 9 meter distance
9
and the 3 meter will be depth, and this will be straight 3 meter. Just like this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Then offset 9 meter. Then
And
offset
3
3
meter.
meter.
3 meter.
Same procedure we will use up to where our surface will meet. Offset 9 meter.
9 and
Yeah.
then 3.
3. Again we will choose here 9 meter. Now I'm going to change the surface style here. Easy surface, properties, border only, apply and open. Change the color here. Okay, this is our grid to surface. Now I'm going to and now I'm going to make a FGL here. Properties, FGL, surface, okay, line, 1, line and open. Now we go for the analyze volume dashboard. We will analyze here the earthwork quantity. Our disk surface will be EG and the comparison will be our FGM. Okay. This is our cutting part, this is our filling part. Cutting is less here and the filling is more.
Filling is more.
Then we will use here we are going to down the surface. Okay, 5 meter I am going to down here. Okay, 2 meter I am going to up now. Now also 1 meter down here. Now it is okay.
Yeah.
Now it is balanced here. Balance means up to balance.
Up to balance, approximately equal.
Okay. Now it is okay. Earthwork. No. Now we are going to delete the FGL and earthwork also, because we are going to make select FGL then delete. Select earthwork then delete. Okay. Now our EG only is there. Okay. Grading group 1. Okay. Now we balance our earthwork only. Now we will create bombs and then when it will be complete, then we will create FGM. Sorry. Before using the berm here, we have to first we will check how it is looks like. Check here. It's looking like this. Okay. Delete this grading. First we have to choose the area. हमको यहाँ पर क्या बोलते हैं, ये जो पार्ट है जहाँ पर हमारा ग्रिड टू सरफेस 9 मीटर के अंदर हो जा रहा है, सुन रहा, जहाँ पर 9 मीटर के अंदर हो जा रहा है उसको हमको ग्रिड टू सरफेस ही रखना है. ओके, मतलब यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक हमको ग्रिड टू सरफेस रखना है. यहाँ से हमारा बर्न क्रिएट होगा, जहाँ पे वो हमारा टारगेट जो कर रहा है सरफेस वो 9 मीटर से अबव करेगा, वहां से हमारा बर्न क्रिएट होगा. ओके,
9 मिनट के बाद.
ओके, अंडरस्टूड ना?
यस सर.
ओके, यहाँ पर भी 9 मीटर के अंदर आ जा रहा है, इतने दूर से इतने दूर तक. ओके, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक नहीं आ रहा है, यहाँ पे हमारा बर्न क्रिएट होगा. आपको इसको प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा. ओके,
ये थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है बहुत. हाँ,
थोड़ा सा. अब हम इसको डिलीट कर देंगे. ओके, जो बर्न जो हम लोगों ने ग्रेडिंग किया था, अब हम लोग जाएंगे वापस ग्रेडिंग में. इजी है, बस कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए.